Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Savanna Lamar Primary on 1 and Sargeantville Primary on 3. Time now for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Tashika Young of Savanna Lamar Primary up against Danae Jackson of Sargeantville Primary. Tashika, we begin with you. What is 75% of 4,000? Question passes. Danae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 3,000. Tashika, what is 1/8 of $3,600? Question passes. Danae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $450. Tashika, what's the HCF of 16, 40, and 56?
$16.
That's incorrect. Danae, want to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
40.
That's also incorrect. It's 8. Tashika, what is 8, 7, 6, 8? Round it off to the nearest 100.
8,800.
That's correct. What's the mean of 48 and 60? Question passes. Danae, want to try?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
54.
Say the answer again, please.
54.
54 is correct. Danae, we're over to you. What is 25% of 8,000? Question passes. Tashika, want to try? It's 2,000. Danae, what is 2/3 of $6,000? Question passes. Tashika, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $4,000. Danae, what's the HCF of 12, 24, and 30?
Six.
That's correct. Danae, what is 4, 8, 2, 2? Round it off to the nearest 10.
4,800.
That's incorrect. Tashika, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 4,820.
That is correct. Danae, what's the mean of 54 and 38?
$92.
That's incorrect. Tashika, want to try?
No, thank you.
Sorry?
No, thank you.
Okay, the answer is 46. That takes us now to our next face-off. It's in the category of science. It's between Deja Thomas of Savanna Lamar Primary, who is up against Damari Kriya of Sargeantville Primary. Deja, we begin with you. The brain is a part of which system in the body, in the human body? Question passes. Damari, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the nervous system or central nervous system. Deja, which word starting with P is the process by which milk is heated to remove microorganisms? Damari, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's pasteurization, pasteurizing, or pasteurized. Deja, which word starting with E means there are not many of a certain type of animal or plant living, and it might become extinct. Question passes. Damari, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's endangered. Deja, what are the 3 primary colors of pigment? Question passes. Damari, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
red, yellow, and blue. Deja, what is formed when an object blocks the path of light? Question passes. Damari, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a shadow. Damari, we're over to you. The stomach and the intestines are part of which system in the human body?
The digestive system.
That's correct. What food group do peas and beans belong to?
Legume.
That's right. Which word, starting with F, means a material or object that bends easily without breaking?
Flexible.
That's right. Which secondary color is produced when red and blue are combined?
Orange.
That's incorrect. Deja, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Purple.
Or violet. That is correct. Damari, what type of object allows light to pass through it?
Lens.
That's incorrect. Deja, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Transparent.
Transparent is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between Mahalia Van Riel of Savanna Lamar Primary. Mahalia is up against Shante Marsden of Sargeantville Primary. Mahalia, what's the singular form of mothers-in-law?
Mother-in-law.
That's right. Spell mighty.
Mighty.
That's right. Change the following sentence to the past tense. I will be driving to the country.
I was driving.
Question passes to Shante. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's I drove to the country. Mahalia, what's the meaning of the prefix by as used in the word bicycle?
Two.
Or twice, that's correct. Mahalia, form an adjective from the word heaven.
Heavenly.
That is correct. Shante, over to you. What's the plural form of furniture? Question passes. Mahalia, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Furniture.
Say again.
Yes, thank you. Furniture.
Furniture is correct. Shante, spell cheerful.
CHEERFUL.
That's correct. Shante, change the following sentence to the future tense. I went to work in the city.
I will be going to work in the city.
That's incorrect. Mahalia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's I will go to work in the city. Shante, what's the meaning of the prefix for as used in the word forecast? Question passes. Mahalia, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's before. Shante, form an adjective from the word create.
Creative.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Saheem Burke of Savanna Lamar Primary. Saheem is up against Orlandre Nesbeth of Sargeantville Primary. Saheem, after whom is the international airport in Barbados named? Orlandre, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Grantley Adams. Saheem, which parish borders Hanover in the east in Jamaica?
St. James.
That's correct. In which year did Antigua and Barbuda gain independence? Is it 1979, 1980, or 1981? Question passes. Orlandre, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1981. Saheem, complete the Jamaican proverb. Chicken merry. Orlandre, want to try?
Yes, miss. Chicken Mary Hot Denier.
Hawk Denier is correct. Saheem, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Carpenter's Mountain Range? Question passes. Orlandre, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Manchester. Orlandre, now over to you. In which Caribbean country is the Maurice Bishop International Airport?
Antigua and Barbuda.
That's incorrect. Saheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Grenada. Orlandre, which parish borders Hanover in the south in Jamaica?
Westmoreland.
That is correct. In which year did Dominica gain independence? Is it 1978, 1979, or 1980?
1979.
That's incorrect. Saheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1978. Orlandre, complete the Jamaican proverb. What sweet nanny goat?
Agaronin Belly.
That is correct. Orlandre, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Port Royal mountain range?
St. Andrew.
That's incorrect. Saheem, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's actually St. Thomas. And that's where we end the second section. We head to the break with Savanna Lamar Primary on 11, Sargeantville Primary a little ahead on 12. Stay tuned, more Quest for Quiz when we return.